Hello student, today we are going to learn EVS part 1 standard 4 chapter 3 storage of water. All the water we get from the rain. The rainy season lasts for 3 or 4 months. If we do not store water, we will not have enough water for our needs. That's why we have to save water. Water must be economically. In this lesson, we will see different ways of storing water. Old water stores. In the olden days, several methods of storing water were used in our state. Nowadays, these old water stores are rarely used. However, their remains can be seen in all places. Some of them are very beautiful. Water in some of these stores never get depleted. First, wells. Some rainwater seep into the ground. Wells are dug to obtain this water. Second, water tanks in forts. People live on the hill fort in the past. They also needed water. The fort had reservoirs and tanks dug into the stone. Third, draw wells. In the past, draw wells are dug to get drinking water. They were small wells from which water was drawn using a small pot tied to a rope. Atpadi in Sangli district had a draw well in every vada. The draw wells had water all year round. Fourth, rivers and bunds. Earthen or masonry bunds were built across river to store their water. Fifth, old reservoirs. Reservoirs were built in areas of low rainfall or in areas without a major river. Most of the reservoirs were built using stone and mortar. Sixth, old tanks. Earlier tanks were used to store water. Some large cities still have these old tanks. Some of them are still in use. Recent systems. Dams. The most important of all recent water storage is the dam. Dams made it possible to store huge quantity of water. As a result, more land was brought under cultivation. Cities began to grow. It became possible to set up factories and generate electricity. Maharashtra has several large dams such as Jayakwadi, Koyna, Ujni and Yeldari. Second is bore wells. Earlier, wells are dug to reach the water under the ground, but it was not possible to draw deep-seated groundwater. Now with the help of electric pumps, it is possible to do so. Bore wells are dug for this purpose. These wells are very deep but very narrow. Third one is panpoi. People out on the roads need water when they are thirsty. In some places, big clay jars of drinking water are kept for the use of such people. This water is offered free of charge. This is known as panpoi. Panpoi are set up by individual or institutions. Panpois are very useful, especially in summer. So student, this is how we learn storage of water. Thank you for watching.